How to add a read receipt in Outlook 365. So I'm going to show you in my desktop. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, here I'm on my Outlook, and here sometimes what happen when you send the emergency mail or important mail, so you need you are looking for read receipt or delivery receipt. So I will show you how you can add or how you can manage a read receipt when you send the any important mail. So first we need to tab new emails. So you can add, well, create new email. So here you have to write the recipients, you can write subject and write the mail. After that you can see on option tab, you have to click on options, and here you can see in tracking, under the tracking you can see the request receipt requested. You can also uh, manage the delivery receipt. Okay, this receipt only you get to know that your mail is delivered to particular receiver, or this will be show you the recipient whether read the email or not. So just take whatever you want. I just take both one, and I send the mail. Okay, so after the send mail you can go in send item, and you can see I just, okay, I have to go in send item where it is. So guys, after the person read your message, you will get the mail like this. When you click on it, you will see this mail was, your message was read on this date on this time. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.